Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Vivian from the Paper Letter blog. Thank you so much for watching a new video. Today I'm doing a voiceover again, and I'm going to show you a couple of my ways how I like to make wax seal stamps. So I actually recorded another video for this. Sometimes I like to film a video and then just use the audio because well, the audio from my camera is so much better than from my computer. It may sound a little bit boxy or robot-y, I don't know. But anyway, I made a video to use as voiceover, but it was way too long. I'm doing it again! The wax seal stamp I'm making here is on a letter for my dear pen pal Roxanne. I used two different colors green, some sort of a grass green and a darker green. As you can see, I really love mixing colors together. And let me show you the end result. Whoop. I have this beautiful fern wax seal stamp. I don't know, it's gorgeous, at least I think so. And I use a gold colored gel pen to go over the leaves. I stole this idea from someone on Instagram and I think it looks really pretty. And a little close-up, as you can see, unfortunately it's not perfectly round. This is really something I have to work on, but you can still see the two different colors green, which I really love. And on to the next one already. For this pretty pink envelope, I am using two different colors again. I'm using pink and white, and I love the way they marble, sort of. And this is for a swap I did with Sasha, and we met on Instagram. And then I sprinkled it with some golden sequin hearts or sequin glitters, I don't know, and they're very pretty. And then I tried to add a couple more because I actually put all the hearts in one place, but in the end I think it looks alright. And then when I take it off, you can see, again, I love this wax seal stamp. It's a flower, it's a daisy actually, and you can see unfortunately the hearts are kind of in the same place, but that does leave a lot of space, so you can actually see the white and the pink, and it's perfectly round. Yay! And we have another green envelope. You may have guessed it already, but I like making these myself. And I also try to match them a little bit so that when I make an Instagram picture it all looks perfect together. But anyway, I used a dark green sealing wax, I don't know. I bought these for Christmas. I bought dark red and dark cream, and it looks really nice. And then I sprinkle some glitter on there. This is actually embossing glitter. I have no idea what you're supposed to do with them, but I use them for wax seal stamps. I was a little bit disappointed at first because I ordered gold and it looks more like a brownish gold. But when I show you the end result, you will see that it actually works out really, really pretty. And yes, I'm just taking my time. I walked away from the camera and I decided not to cut that because I usually cut about 90% of my footage. But I thought I would need some more time to speak, and that turned out to be true. So, close up of the wax seal, do you see how pretty that gold is on the dark green wax seal? And you can see it a little bit. It's kind of subtle but very pretty, and I was once again so happy with this combination. Yeah, as you can hear, wax seals made me very excited. I just quickly showed you that I picked out a dried flower, and then I mix together this grass green again with white, and I like to stir that through so that you get that marbled effect. And then I add a little more white in the end so that you can still see the white more clearly. I drip that on the page. I really love this color. And then I add the dried flower. I don't know what you call them. I think they're called buttercups, right? The yellow ones. I plucked them from my mom's garden. And then I push that in and it's dry very soon. I don't know how that works. And it's not perfectly round, but very pretty nonetheless. I used a daisy stamp again. I have more stamps, but this is just one of my favorites. And that's the end result. And last one, I'm going very quickly. I used a sort of a shimmery blue. I dropped that on the table there, and I used this teal color. I think it's teal color. And this time I'm actually not stirring it through, so that you can see that you have like kind of a rougher marble effect. As you can see, I filmed this and it's still mesmerizing for me to watch. I love seeing these colors come onto paper, and as you can see, it's not as marbled as the other ones, but I kind of like that as well. And I really love these colors. And then I'm actually using a tiny wax seal stamp. I got them from Sustraingraine, a Dutch shop. I'm using a small one, but this one also has a really pretty design. It is a design from my Tree of Life, and the person that I was sending this postcard to, I don't know, I just knew that she would appreciate it. Then I thought I'd change the angle a bit. Very interesting. And then I got really annoyed because my camera wouldn't focus, but I just wanted to show you. Can you see how pretty these two colors are? Sort of like they're sort of connected, but you can still see the different ones. The different colors, I mean, sorry. Very annoyed, won't focus. I actually moved to the window, still no focus, but you're just gonna have to believe me that this is really pretty. And there is a lot of sealing wax, gee Vivian, around the stamp, but I still kind of like the way it looks. And that's actually my video already. I really hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you do not like it, please don't give it a thumbs down. I don't know if any of you ever do that, but if you don't like it, please tell me what you don't like so that I can change this for a next video. And I hope you subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye!